Hi everyone, welcome back to Best Laid Plans, and this week is our 2023 Halloween week plan with me. We have another year, I guess, where we have our planner, since Happy Planner goes Monday through Sunday for weeks. The 31st is actually next week, but so is the start of November, so that week is in November. I choose to decorate this week for Halloween, and probably next week too, but I chose to do this one for October just because this is going to be like one of the last videos in October, and I wanted it to go out before Halloween, so we're doing it this week instead of next week. So technically Halloween is next week, but we're doing this week. So I have some different supplies. You may have seen this little notebook out of the corner of your eye. And if you've seen my other videos, you'll know this is where I keep my blackout paper. So I am going to be using blackout paper this time also, and working with that. And I wanted to just show you, this is the normal layout. Just the vertical. So I'm going to put these aside, and then we will glue over them with these. But this is actually what we're going to be working with. So we're going to use blackout paper. And the theme that I've chosen is based off of this kit that I purchased from Bramble Thorn, which is absolutely gorgeous, called Dark Nights. It is very vampire, Dracula, just like all things fancy, dark, and these stickers are going to look amazing on black paper. So we're going to be using this kit, and then I also wanted to organize everything around this amazing sticker from Bibliophilia. It is a actual quote from Dracula. So this is going to look, it's already framed up perfect for a spread on blackout paper. So this is the first thing I want to add before anything else, just deciding where it goes. With the blackout pages, it's kind of like doing bullet journal. You really have to kind of put everything together yourself and figure out where things are going to go. So I like this over here in the corner, and I think that's where I'm going to put it. So there we go. So we have our first sticker down, and basically I'm going to be organizing everything else around this sticker from this kit. I also have this PET tape that I got, and it has these really beautiful like music notes and roses, and I thought it would be cool to have them running up the side here, maybe. I'm not sure exactly yet, or actually I think running along the top. Let's do along the top. I'm going to do that next. So I'll find some spooky music and we'll get right into decorating this blackout spread. So I like how this effect is on the black. One thing I kind of messed up was this got a little tilted on this side, so I'll need to find stickers or something to cover that part. I also want to cover up where it says rose music here. I don't like it there to be like any text other than this text. So we can look at some of the deco stickers in this kit in order to do that. So let me next lay out our dates and figure out where I'm going to have boxes to write in for this week. So I'm going to go to the date pages, and those are here. And I think we got to go with the red for a vampire theme. So let's do it. Sometimes I kind of have to think about where I'm going to place things, especially with this paper. This blackout paper is not friendly. Even if it's like the highest quality stickers, it's going, or tape or whatever, it's going to rip off when you move it around. So you really have to kind of focus and figure out exactly where you're going to put things. So I think I'll come back to that. I know that I want to have my exercise tracker slash just weekly things that are going on. I'm going to put that here because I want it to be kind of lined up with Saturday. That's where it makes the most sense since I've kind of spread things out. So we'll put that there, and I will put a box on top of that, and then a this week. So I can write that all in there. Now let's look at our full boxes, and I'm going to decide what I want to use. I love this castle gate with bats. That is amazing. Let's put that right above Wednesday. And that just gave me an idea to use some of her Dark Nights ripped paper effect to cover this area here where I had the boo-boo. So let's do that. These are such, this beautiful, beautiful kit. And then I'll use this dark butterfly sticker over here. So I really do like how that corner turned out, and I want to mirror that on the other corner now as well. So I'm going to just add a couple touches there to kind of bring it all together. I love, 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 love that. So now we've got everything framed in. I love doing corners, and I'm very pleased with this so far. So now what I'm going to do is just finish putting in boxes and the rest of my full box decoration, and then we will get to after the pen. Alright, so this is the spread. Currently, I have just finished adding all of the base stickers and making my boxes for my days of the week. I have longer to-do list Wednesdays and Fridays. Friday is a payday, so there'll be bills I need to pay, and Wednesday is usually when I have chores and things. And I added some checklists already for the weekend here, but I want to take the checklists that are included and put some long and short checklists in on these, and then after we do that, we'll move on to icons and after the pen. Okay, so I have checklists down now, and as our date stickers so we can tell which days are which. So I am going to start on this one here, and I have my, I'm just using the same pen I've had out for a while now, which is my Simply Gilded Emerald Botanicals one. It's just a black gel, so that's what we're going to use for our after the pen. I am not going to be filling in everything, but I am, I have like some meetings and things, so I will be doing kind of a partial just for privacy's sake after the pen, but I do want to kind of show you the process so you can see how I'm doing things. A couple of these are going to be just simple like pay bills, so it's like stuff that I would do on payday. I have been using this a lot, and I think I actually might have used it up, so I'm going to grab another pen. Okay, this is a Feel Beautiful I had on hand. I think this is the Mulan one. But again, just plain thin gel ink. I just wrote the same thing twice. So when I get a boo-boo like that, I just go back to the kit that I was using. I'll just cover up the bottom. And I can't worry about things smudging. That is just what happens. I've never been a perfectionist about my handwriting. If I did, I would never get any planning done. So I'm just going to leave that the way it is. And let's see. So Tuesday I need to do notes. This is all schedule building stuff. I do all my scheduling for my job, and I put everything into the system. So I am already on like fall and like 2024. So I work quite well ahead. And I am going to do this little sticker here of a checklist. And I'm actually going to use that to cover up this word. Because sometimes you got to be creative. And then I have a large work meeting. I love her matching icons. I have a large work meeting on Tuesday. So I'll put that there. And then I will use this phone logo for my other meeting. I'll do a spray bottle as well because I usually do my cleaning then. So I think that looks pretty good. I'm going to leave everything else that's like here blank because I will probably write in what I'm doing. So let's move on to this side. So I have this little book icon, and I will put this here, and this week I will be finishing Tower of Dawn and starting Kingdom of Ash. I am basically finishing all of Throne of Glass in October. So I gave myself this month, and I am already almost done. It's definitely been a journey. And then this is going to be exercise, so I'm going to get some... I guess I'll just use this because there's not like a running sticker or anything like that, but this little yoga lady here. And then, so Sunday is my planning day. I'll put my planner here. And then Saturday is going to be my day. I usually film stuff, so I'm gonna put that here, just filming and editing basically. And then also doing Mahar. And I think that's gonna be it. I do love the sticker kit, and I still have more left of it, so I'll use it again in the future. But that is pretty much almost everything. So I'm gonna just write So here basically is the almost finished spread. The only thing I have left to do is find an October sticker that I like for this. I don't have any currently I used the one from According to Ally on my last spread, so I'm going to find one that matches this aesthetic. I'll let you know where it's from, and then we'll take a look at the final product. Okay, so I did find an October sticker. This is actually from the Hello Fall, the very last page of the Hello Fall book by Live Love Posh that I have. And it was just the right font, black on white, so it shows up. And this is really my final, partially after the pen spread. I am really happy with how this turned out. So sometimes you just kind of have to... I think it's fun to do more Bujo stuff, basically, with Happy Planner, where you're having to lay everything out, and just, you know, it lets me play with the layout. It's still somewhat like vertical, but it's broken up, and it's a little bit more abstract, and less just, you know, line. So all that's left to do is I'm just basically going to glue this over my week here and pop it back in my planner. But thank you so much for joining me for this spooky Dracula inspired Halloween 2023 plan with me. I will be back with a video next week. I am going to be doing another cheap or like budget friendly testing pens and notebooks and stuff from places like Five Below. So just sort of see how those are. So if you're interested in that, stay tuned. Subscribe to my channel for more. You can also follow me on Instagram at Valkyrie Plans, and I will catch you guys next week. Happy Halloween! Bye!